Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Cayenne Fuel, Sydney. I've got a Porsche Cayenne. I was towed in with running rough under 3,000 RPM. So today I'm going to test the fuel pump. Should be around 4 bar. So we're going to bridge the first fuel pump, which is the right hand side, and then we'll start it up. So you can hear I've got 4 bar from the right hand side fuel pump. That's the right hand side. Now I'm going to start it up. That's the primary fuel pump. The right hand side fuel pump according to the diagram. Now I'll bridge the other relay. Now this is the left hand side one. Alright, I'm going to start it up now. As you can see, that one's not running properly. Running nearly at 200. Just 2 bars. That's 2 bars. So that one's struggling big time. So that's confirmed. The problem is the fuel pump. Left hand side fuel pump's not running properly. But at the same time, you can listen to that. That's the fuel pump. Fuel pump's noisy. The fuel pump is noisy, it needs to be replaced as well. The fault's confirmed now. I can actually say now that the actual left hand side fuel pump is not working. So the left hand side fuel pump, the only pressure I got was like 2 bar. Just 2 bars. Should be around 4 to 4.1, 4.2 bar on a normal Cayenne, normal pump that's running good. A good pump should run about 4 bar, a bad one probably around here. So this one here is struggling to actually run, that's why the actual car is running rough. So just one pump is faulty, but I'm going to advise the customer to do both, because if one is bad, the other one's going to be gone soon, right after. And the actual water pump is not leaking, but it's actually very noisy. Needs to be replaced as well. So I've got one pump. Advised to replace both fuel pumps and the actual water pump as well at the same time, and probably get a quote on the actual window regulator to actually fix that, because the actual motor is still working, but the cable is broken and stretched on the driver's side window regulator. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.